That one.
On that. Let me now, our good friend from the fourth estate by saying that
when you hear the noise outside there on delocalization, it is not for nothing. It is not for nothing. Outside here, in about 3 days, we have received 547 cases that we must demand Teachers Service Commission act on. We are reliably informed that several insurance firms expressed their interest to cover teachers. For instance, NHIF had been reached to come on board by the employer. The challenge that came in was a budgetary ceiling. Since it was way below what NHIF expected, I'll explain. This calls for appropriation of more funds so as to get the requisite threshold. Many of us, including our teachers, thought NHIF would have done better if it was considered. Our position as Kenya National Union of Teachers still remains that teachers need better than what they have today in terms of medical cover.